Alright, do some soldering here. Usually puts a little bit on the wires. My eyes today. There they are. Getting old. Got shrink tubes on here I just got from AliExpress. Pretty impressed with that there. How fast I get it. It's amazing, all the way from China. Well, until it gets here, and then it slows down. It's to be expected. So this thing came with a male. I don't know why. Everything else always has a male for the winch. So they send this plug with 2 females. Like, why? Just, anyways. I need my third hand here. Pretty strong though. Ugly looking, that's all. Oh. Funny, I see guys with heat guns. What do you need a heat gun for? This thing is smoking out. Here we go. It's like it was meant to be. Now I should be able to control my winch with this button. 3-way button, which I think is channel 4. I think that was all soldering I needed to do. Plug this. I also got, at some point when bored something, I got this guy here. It is, around so you can see it. It's a 180 motor, 80 turns. So, my understanding, this thing should give me more torque. It's the same size. 180 is the one that's in there, except it's 80 turn. So, if I get a bigger motor, I have to get a different gearbox. And I also got a 21G servo. So I thought that might come in handy. It's waterproof. Should fit right in there and be stronger, more torque for the steering. I have portal axles coming too, so this thing is going to be a beast when I'm done. Hopefully. I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, so we install this light module and the winch module and see what we can do. It's working. 2-cell 7.4 volt. It didn't say what the milliamp hours is. So anyways, it's 7.4 volts. I tested it, and now it's balanced charging on the 2 cells with my 3-plug wire that I did. And this is the out to my car. So I'll have 2 batteries. Looking good. Just gotta watch it, make sure it doesn't overheat, get hot, anything. Because if it gets hot, it could catch fire, explode. Yeah, rechargeable batteries. Always be careful with your batteries.